Hello viewers, hello everyone. This is your Mafibe. So in this video, magi-discuss tayo ng very first topic natin for the subject construction materials and testing. So this is our lecture 1 and this is the introduction to construction materials and testing. So previously we already presented the course outline. So may idea na kayo kung ano yung mga topics na i-discuss sa subject na to. Okay, so let's proceed with the topic. Okay, so material testing refers to measurement of characteristics and behavior of materials to be used in specifying the suitability of materials to various applications. So, example nga natin yan is construction. Then, it is also defined as the examination of material properties with respect to design and use of the product. So, materials are used not only in construction, so madaming bagay din sa manufacturing, sa building, so ang dami. But we will only focus on the construction materials since this is our subject. Okay, so we have the categories of material testing. So we have mechanical testing, testing for thermal properties, testing for electrical properties, testing for resistance to corrosion, radiation, and biological deterioration. We also have the non-destructive testing. Okay, so ano-ano ba yung mga ito? So in the as we go on with the subject, so malalaman nyo kung ano yung mga testing na tinutukoy dyan, ano yung may example, and ano yung procedure in order to perform those different materials test. So what is a construction material? So a construction material is an item, material, or supply consumed or used in a construction project and incorporated in the constructed building or structure. Yan, so ito yung mga example ng mga construction materials. So alin dito yung common na nakikita nyo na ginagamit sa iba-ibang construction. So we have the following types of construction materials. First, we have the aggregates. Ayan. So ito yung aggregates. So aggregates is a broad category of coarse to medium-grained particulate material used in construction, including sand, gravel, crushed stone, slag, recycled concrete, and geosynthetic aggregates. Aggregates are the most mined materials in the world. Okay, so dyan nag-fall yung graba, yung buhangin, so na iba-ibang sizes ng gravel, yung iba-ibang sizes. Tapos we have coarse grained, we have medium grained, we have fine grained. So yan, lahat yan aggregates. So ingredient yan, or that is part para makagawa tayo ng konkreto. Okay, so yung aggregate ginagamit natin sa mga buhos, like sa bahay, sa buildings, ginagamit din natin sa plastering. So minimix natin sa cement. Then ginagamit din natin siya sa roads, supports. So any structure na merong concrete, so ginagamitan natin yan ng aggregate. So we have also the steel reinforcement. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-common natin, reinforcing steel bars. Okay, steel reinforcement are steel bars that are provided in combination with plain cement concrete to make it reinforced concrete. Okay. So, kapag ka-concrete lang siya, walang steel, that is unreinforced. So, usually makikita natin yan sa ating mga kalsada. Tapos, yung reinforced concrete naman, yung mga structural members ng mga building natin. We also have cement. So, ito yung cement. Okay, so cement is a finely milled mineral powder, usually gray in color. Mixed with water, cement serves as an adhesive to bind sand, gravel, and hard rock in concrete. Okay, so ito yung bububuo natin sa concrete. So the ingredients of concrete are cement, water, sand, and aggregates. So yung aggregates natin or yung gravel, kasi yung sand nga pala is also an aggregate. So yung gravel natin, so iba-iba yung sizes niya, depende sa kung ano yung structure na kailangan natin buhusan. So ito yung cement. Next, we also have concrete. Okay, so minsan interchange yung cement at concrete. Kapag yung iba, kapag sinabing cement, minsan natawag nilang concrete, minsan yung concrete naman natawag nilang cement, wherein yung cement ingredient lang siya sa concrete. So example, yung nasa picture natin, so this is pavement, kalsada sa Tagalog. Okay, so concrete is a composite material composed of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with the fluid cement or the cement paste that hardens or cures over time. So yung process ng pagtigas ng semento, that is called curing. Next, we have the bitumen. Yan, so ito. So, usually nakita natin siya sa mga kalsada natin kapag niruberize. So, in layman's term, nag-aaspalto. So, aspaltado. But in this topic, malalaman ninyo kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng asphalt sa bitumen. Kasi yung asphalt and bitumen, usually na-interchange yan. Okay? So, bitumen is a black, viscous mixture of hydrocarbons obtained naturally or as a residue from petroleum distillation. It is used for road surfacing and roofing. Okay, so ang pinag-aiba ng bitumen sa asphalt. When we say bitumen yung ano lang siya, yung parang binder. Binder siya nung aggregates, yung mga crushed gravels and sand. Kapag yan pinaghalo-halo na, tapos nilatag natin sa kalsada, ang tawag natin dyan is asphalt. So yung meron tayong bituminous road, meron tayong bitumen overlay, meron naman tayong asphalted road. So mas yung bituminous road compare sa asphalt road, mas mababa yung durability ng bitumen, kasi yung bitumen yung paste lang siya, so parang i-rubberize lang yung ibabaw, while yung asphalt, kapag nag-asphalting tayo, yung bitumen is mixed with gravel and sand, so mas matibay yung asphalt overlay kaysa sa bitumen overlay. Okay, so ito yung mga test carried out in different construction materials. So sa aggregates, ito yung mga test. So we have the sieve analysis, water absorption test, aggregate impact value, aggregate abrasion value, aggregate crushing value. Yan, so malalaman natin to as we go on with the subject, kung ano to, kung paano pinaperform, and ano yung significance of conducting this test. Sa bitumen, we have determining bitumen content, determining flash and fire point of bitumen, determining penetration of bitumen, We also have determining softening point of bitumen, determining specific gravity, determining ductility, and determining Marshall stability of bitumen. Sa cement, ito may mga test natin sa cement. We have fineness test, soundness test, consistency test, setting time test. So, we have 4. Okay, so lahat din yan, as you go on with the subject, malaman niya kung para saan at kung anong tinitest. Sa concrete naman, we have destructive and non-destructive testing. So, ito test for the fresh concrete. So, we have the slump test, compacting factor test, VB test, K-slump test. For the test of hardened concrete, so ibig sabihin yung tumigas na or na-cure na, we have compression strength test, flexural strength test, rebound hammer test, ultrasonic pulse velocity test. So, we have 4. So, meron dyan destructive testing, meron namang non-destructive testing. Steel reinforcement. So, we have tensile strength test, bend test, bend test, shear test, Brinell hardness test, impact test, and torsion test for the steel reinforcement. Then, ito yung dalawang agencies na lagi nyong may encounter sa subject na to as we go through. So, ito yung nagsiset ng mga standards natin sa mga construction materials. So, we have the ASTM. ASTM, International, formerly the American Society for Testing and Materials, is a private organization that establishes specifications for materials and methods of construction accepted as standards throughout the United States. Numerical references to the ASTM standards, for example, ASTM C154 Portland cement used in making concrete are found throughout building codes and construction specifications, where they are used as precise shorthand for describing the quality of materials or the requirements of their installation. So, ito din yung inadapt natin sa Pilipinas, yung ASTM. Tapos, meron pa tayong isa. So, ASTO. ASTO is the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials. It's a standards-setting body which publishes specifications, test protocols, and guidelines that are used in highway design and construction throughout the United States. So, yung DPWH, yung Blue Book, or the Book of Specifications of DPWH, nag-adapt sila sa mga provisions ng ASTO. Okay, so what are the importance of study of construction materials? So, to know the sources of construction materials. So, definitely. So, saan ka ba maghahanap ng magandang source ng construction materials na pasado and of good quality? So, during your practice of civil engineering, dadating kayo sa point na kailangan yung maghanap ng construction materials. Tapos, sa place pa lang, malaman nyo na kung ano yung klase yung materials doon, kung ano yung quality. Kasi merong mga quality control na ginagawa sa mga sources of materials. So, in the studying of construction materials, so malaman nyo kung saan kayo makakakuha ng pinakamagandang quality ng materials. Okay, so number 2, identify how and know the properties of various construction materials. We also have to know how the materials are tested as per ASTM standards, to know how to choose from commercially available construction materials depending on particular use. So this is very important. Then, to know common material defects. So, kapag bibili ka, hindi naman sinasabi sa'yo kung anong defects ng mga materials. So, mas maganda alam mo para makasave ka ng effort, time, and resources. Then, to know various precautions to be taken when constructing for better durability. Okay, so that's the importance of study of construction materials. So, tapos na tayo sa topic natin. So, next video, abangan nyo yung sunod topic natin. So, we have construction materials and testing 2. Common equipment and apparatus in material testing. Okay, so abangan nyo. So, I hope panoorin yung susunod na video natin. So, thanks for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So, subscribe kayo sa Matibay channel. This is your Matibay. Thank you.